Donald Trump has bought $42 million of Ethereum in the past 24 hours, friends. This is happening in real time. This is the transaction page from World Liberty Finance, which is Donald Trump's DeFi project. They've actually been accumulating Ethereum. This is Donald Trump shaking the hand of an alien. We've already had aliens have met humans, friends. This is Vitalik, cybernetic, telekinesis happening right now. So as you get to see, the sleight of hand. On one hand, he is supplying a meme coin to the world, dumping. On the other hand, he is buying Ethereum. Maybe it's important to follow the trail of the whale. It is also important to watch ETH versus Sol races, so Sol ETH. Shout out to my friend Jim Shoney.
Hey, yo. Welcome to PulseChain.
Thank you very much, sir. Welcome to PulseChain, baby dolls. Sol ETH ratio, extremely important. We're going to be watching this. Like, we watch it frequently. This is important to check it out, though, because it was a big explosive bang, right? If the US president launching a coin on the chain isn't enough to get like more people into it to keep pushing new high prices, it could mean it's finally exhausted most of the mind share growth of the world. And yeah, because like when the world's most popular man launches a coin on your chain, how can you top that? Okay, because it's all mind share popularity contest, right? So that's how you got to think about this game. So we're going to watch it in the next 4 to 6 weeks. By the way, $13 billion of Soylana is getting unlocked in the next 4 months. Look at this out here. So you see it. 3 billion, 9 billion, 2 billion. So at least 14, it's literally friend, 13 billion in the next, that's big. Also, I've got some super bullish news for you as well. A lot of Ethereum shorts are on the table. So the CME, they have record Ethereum shorts. And this is important. Why? Because they're all cucks. These are futures traders, they're cucks, and they're record short. So it's like a bouncy ball, friends. You put the bouncy ball at a beach, under the water, okay, a little beach ball. When you let go, it like smacks you up and hits you in the jaw. The Soylana VCs probably take advantage of this hype, and all the cuck funds, they're max short because they're saying Ethereum's a cuck. Well, yeah, Ethereum's cucked, but the price is low. Okay, so yeah, maybe, okay, if you're one of the people saying Ethereum's cucked up here, you got it right. Okay, but now ETH is down to 0.03-ish. You know what I mean? And maybe you're wrong, so we'll see how it plays out. Also, I want to show you something. Did you cheat your Ethereum bags? Trump launches the coin, Ethereum dumps hard, big reversal candle as it happens out here. That's when word got out, Trump's actually buying Ethereum. Kind of crazy, man. Yeah, so that's why I'm here to ask you, friends, while I play some pump music. I'm going to ask you a question. Did you cheat your Ethereum bags? Did you cheat your PulseChain or anything linked bags, or your ChainLink or your Doge or anything? Did you cheat the bags out there? Because if you cheated anything related to Ethereum, you sold them to Donald Trump. You sold to him. He bought your Ethereum bags. And if you went and bought his meme coin, which is okay for you to trade and do all these, just think about what you're logically doing. This guy's supplying it on the market and you're buying it. You know what I mean? Like, maybe you want to run with the stuff he's accumulating and buying. Just maybe. But it doesn't mean that coin goes down forever if you're in Trump or anything. You don't have to stress about any of these. But just pay attention to the details, friends. Are you learning the game now? You understand? You have to learn the game. That's why I'm here. Highest value content in crypto. I'm here to teach you the game. Abundance mindset. Shout out to Mr. T-Bird. We love you. So all the soul cards got played. Manipulation at its finest. ETH BTC showing a huge wick down. Hopefully the last manipulation. Yes, friends, that was like the final deep, darkest moments. I think the bottom is in. So I've even got this picture here. Shout out to Vitalik. Chad Vitalik. We got to like make him look like a Chad. So think about this, man. Friends, Trump already launched on Soylana. Maximum mind shares reached. Vitalik has been sipping on soy latte, hasn't he? Okay. But here's the thing. If Vitalik just had one protein shake, if Vitalik did one pull-up, one push-up, just think about the 10x improvement. If he just, instead of having maximum blood type S for soy, imagine he inserted some protein into there. Do you see how it would be like a big shift? That's obviously deep contrarian. Thing is, you just don't know if anything is going to get to those extreme states. But that's why, man, here to buy low and sell high, dude. Like, Trump has shielded your coin now. It's to shield your chain. Where to from here? You see, are you gonna wait for everybody to dump it down before you finally realize that? That's the tough part when it comes to these waves, because everybody believes it's just getting started. Jeets are out. Chads are in. Donald Trump. Of course, we're having just fun here. It's going to be a great 2025. All the stars have aligned. Fingers crossed. Now, as you saw recently, friends, there were a lot of capitulations because there was a liquidity vortex. Everybody sold every single freaking coin to go rush in to FOMO in. Now, the price of Trump, it's moving volatile. I don't know what price it is by the time you just see this video, okay? Because it's like it dropped down on the inauguration, down 50% immediately. And then you had Melania's coin launch. So sell the news-ish. Don't be in business of picking these tops. I'm watching Melania coins trying to go up as well. They already sold, friends, by the way. They already sold $100 million worth of the coin for Melania's coin. So it's people doing this trading rotation stuff out here. If you're fast and you want to participate, throw a lottery ticket, cover your initial, be safe. I'm not selling my PulseChain ecosystem bags. I am not selling, okay? Soylana Jeets can't even deadlift 1x their body weight. Remember, just think about it, bro. Trump is selling your meme coin that you're buying. He's buying Ethereum. It makes you wonder, does he have plans for ETH later on? Like, you already know, he's already got the DeFi project out here. Yeah, it's crappy, it's super expensive and stuff out here. But, anyway, you know, friends, there was even pictures. Sergey Nazarov, so the founder of ChainLink, Sergey is... he's rubbing shoulders at the crypto inaugural ball with everyone there. He's hanging out with Michael Chad Saylor. And this is the Chainlink price, friends. Chainlink, this is a daily out here. It's a bit racist. Put on a weekly chart. It's about 24 bucks. If Chainlink goes to around 100 billion market cap, it's around $160 here. So this might be where it actually tops out. Okay, it might just hit like that round around the 200, 180, 160 to 200 zone for Link. I hope it's higher, man. I really hope it's higher because something's not going to give. Like, it might be that Ethereum this cycle is the ratio is not as good. Like, it's just, something's going to break pretty much. It feels like Ethereum's going to be the laggy ratio play behind and everything else kind of catches up. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, you can see on the Link ETH ratio, you see? So Link ETH from here to say up here, the fib level is about 3.6x. Now, what does that mean? It means Chainlink beats Ethereum by 3.6. So if Ethereum does a 3 and then Chainlink does 3.6, that's a 10.8x for Chainlink. That's about $260. That would be beautiful. And it will just bring the ratio up here and does this like lower high thing, maybe. But what would a 3.6x price for Ethereum be from today? It would be 11,500. That might be the top. But we're hoping, friends, like if you look at Bitcoin, if Bitcoin gets to 300K, maybe Ethereum can get to 18K. I don't know, man. Some of these fibs and how high we think these things are going to go. The consensus is for Bitcoin to hit 200K. But like, let's see where it is at the end of the year. What if Bitcoin is 220K by the end of the year? And everyone will say, no, we're going to keep going longer and higher. Maybe they say that. So we have a Zen approach here, as in like, it's all going to play out. It is what it is, okay? By the end of this year, there'll be a price. The market's going to say, okay, Bitcoin is whatever price is. It's going to be 100 or 150 or 200 or 250 or 300 or 350, some number. And then we have to decide, okay, do we want to hold maximum exposure walking to the end of 2026? That's the mindset we're going to be thinking about. I've got a picture here of Donald Trump. Friends, is the controversial thing. But remember, Trump's actions on chain. Supply a meme coin to the market and sell it. Buy Ethereum with World Liberty Finance. Soylana rotators are playing hot potato with the casino. You know, I was saying that is literally at the Trump, that high. So why it's important for me to tell you, friends, I'm not trying to call tops on any of this. I don't like it. I'm just showing you that, friends. I don't care how high a coin goes. It does not impact me. Okay, it does not impact me in terms of like, I know I'm making the right decision, quote unquote. When people start to get scared of stuff, that's actually what happens. When people start to get really scared is when you run into a problem, because then they lose sight of, you know, the right moves to make, which is like being wary of euphoria. It was kind of funny witnessing the bottom of Ethereum, friends. Did you know like Ethereum went down like below 3,000 bucks, hit like 2,980. So that was live video footage of Vitalik pumping Ethereum price. He changed his profile pic. He started leaning in. So Anthony Sassel, Ethereum maxi believer, and as well Vitalik, Ethereum creator, they started leaning into the culture. Vitalik profile pic is now a milady. Sassel has a mog glasses. So they're starting to lean in like they're playing in the culture because I understand, okay, Soylana guys, we're going to take off the gloves. We're going to punch it out too. Shout out to Mr. Trevor Hexkin. This is awesome. So this AI, bro, this AI is getting really good as well. Just in, Ethereum reversal candle. This was it as it was happening, friends. It actually went up. That was actually big. Trump is selling his meme coin and Trump is buying Ethereum. So pay attention. As I showed you as well earlier, things will be different tomorrow. This is Michael Saylor telling us that he's going to be buying more Bitcoin. So hopefully the FOMO continues. And I want to remind you once again, friends, the Ethereum fundamentals are strong. Please, you got to share this with your friends and family. Ethereum's TVL 64 billion compared to Soylana. Okay, shout out to Trevon for this as well. We've gone through this in my juicy news, but I'm just repeating to you, man. You got to know this. Protocols 1200, Soylana 192. Okay, you see this? Look at the Ethereum fundamentals, man. So you have Ethereum have 114 billion dollars of stables. Soylana only has 8 billion. Okay, so these fundamentals are big, man. Ethereum fees. Okay, yes. So, see what I mean? Like, but you'd think that Ethereum has nothing. You think I give nothing. It's just the price momentum. Everyone's imagining it going to zero. Also, shout out to Rule Pound for this picture. Him probably vaping, having a smoke. That's also funny to see out here. Look, man, I know these markets are tough. But if you hold long term, hopefully you make it to the other side. This was Richard's post about his new Ethereum, his PulseChain, PulseX like liquidity tool as well, tracking balances, monitoring positions. It's a dashboard, privacy first PulseChain. That's actually good. It's probably like a marketing thing. Actually, he's written the words here, privacy first PulseChain dashboard. So that might be part of the edge. Like, we respect everyone's right to privacy, but these are like, so everyone in PulseChain knows this is important, friends. PulseChain is the only USA aligned Ethereum chain. And I'm not even making that up. It's true. Okay. Everything else is credible, neutral, international, whatever. Well, yeah, PulseChain is international too, but it's really pro-America as well. There's a lot of Americans on the chain. It's Ethereum's like American chain, if you think of it like that. Ethereum's okay. And you even have the core principles. Richard Hart, Ricardo Corazon, Greg the Duck, he's taken the US Constitution principles. He's got freedom of speech, infused it into the chain, freedom of movement, infused it, real DeFi principles, right to privacy, free speech is open source software code. That is all USA Constitution stuff. Nowhere in the world does anybody else have that. Okay, so make no mistake. So Americans be proud of that. And also it was a right, I guess, executive decision for Richard Hart to naturally have these and infuse them into the chain. Okay, and also you get to see like Trump has there's a pro-USA agenda now as well. So it's probably going to pay dividends. This is funny and disgusting. Max Keiser, bring back Gensler. He was right about poop coins. So Max Keiser wants to bring back Gary Gensler. He's pretty much having this capitulation moment out here. I just want to show you some stuff he was doing. And actually some context as well. So Max Keiser, friends, he went into like an online debate spar with like Richard Hart. Richard wanted to debate him. Sure, Richard, send me the address of the prison where you're incarcerated. So that was after the corrupt SEC because Richard wanted to debate Max Keiser and stuff out here. So Max Keiser called for his jail. You want to know, friends, karma, talk about a curse appearing. You know, as soon as Max Keiser talked like that, within a few months, after he said this, his channel, his show got cancelled. He got deleted because it was too very pro-Russia. Very pro-Russia, and it was the Ukraine stuff going on here. But look what he recently did yesterday. So Max Keiser, remember friends, Max, I think has like 100,000 plus BTC. He's a big Bitcoin believer, of course. He called for Bitcoin 100K back when it was $1. He's done a lot for the world and the community, to be honest, as well. So he's like the religious place of Bitcoin. Look at this. He's been relentlessly talking about fart coin. Okay. Now, I'm not saying he's directly shilling it. Yeah, it's a joke, but just look at this. It's just, there's a lot of hypocrisy. All these Richard Hart haters, they just go start talking about other stuff as well. They break their own rules. They're hypocrites. Look at this. Max Keiser shilling fart coin, another Richard Hart hater. Look at this. Trump coin crashing. Buy fart coin. Let's get it over Trump coin tonight. Farts for the win. Can Trump coin do this? Sell Trump coin. Buy fart coin. Look at this. Next post. He's leaning in, friends. Look at this. When will fart coin 1.8 billion overtake Trump coin? You know, Trump is temporary. Farts are forever. Eat lots of beans. Show Trump who's the bigger gas bag. Fart coin. And he retweets. Fart coin is ripping. Can Trump do this? So just like, I thought it was like, okay, one little joke out here, but he just kept going on and on. Also, some background context. Max Keiser believes that Vitalik should be in jail. Okay, so Max Keiser believes he should be in jail for because he made Ethereum and he called himself credible neutral money. That's actually, he believes that yield is sin and stuff out here. So I'm just showing you, friends, a lot of hypocrites in the game. But last but not least, friends, what we'll do is play some Pikachu in the jungle music. Well, as I'm watching this, friends, Bitcoin sinking below 100K. Hopefully everything's going to be all right today. But are we paying for our sins, by the way, of... so while I'm recording here, Trump coin. No, don't rug us. Don't. Huh? Don't scare the retailers. You get me? Naughty. No scare me. Don't scare the retailers. You've done your drop. All right? Maybe it does something like this and it comes back down and it's got to... Like, these things take a while, friends. These things take a while because even with Dogecoin... Bro, you hit 70 billion market cap. We're like... You went to like... In like 36 hours. Like, where else is there to go? Trillions? That's what Da Vinci J15 thinks trillion are. I don't know, man. But yes, look. Max Keiser, friends, he wrote, what happened to Trump? He's joking that Trump's going to go down, but friends, because man, I'm here 18 hours a day. I saw that chart and I'm like, wait a minute. I know that chart. Do you know that chart? It's Hex. There you go. I know that chart, bro. I know that chart. I know exactly. I know this. That was the PulseChain testnet price. I know these. I'm here too long. I'm here too much. Dedicated here for you. And it's funny. He looked up Hex. That's interesting. Friends, just think about this mind share. He looked up Hex to show a chart. Now, it's for the wrong reasons. It's because the chart's so bad. And it looks like, oh, the scam pump and dump is over. But Habib, it's a magical 4-year cycle. It's 2025 now. This is the year that magic happens. The US president has launched a freaking meme coin. Is this not the year to shoot for the stars? Of course it's the year. This is it. Man, I'm just telling you, friends, if Max, friends, look, I want to live here long enough to see this coin do that and just make Max Keiser totally embarrassed. Look, but here's the thing. He will always refer to the Hex BTC ratio. Okay, that's another thing. So if you want to know where does the Hex BTC, and he's only going to look at eHex. Now you might say, oh, but people are going to tell him about the other one. He doesn't care, bro. He's got like 500,000 or 1 million followers. He's got more people than the entire PulseChain following him. So it's about who's got the loudest voice. But if you go to CoinGecko, friends, what you can do is at the bottom, you click on BTC ratio. Okay, so this is the BTC ratio. See how it is? This number is, oh my God, 24,000 Satoshis. The top, it was, I don't even know what that number is, 1 million Satoshis. So pretty much, oh my gosh, this number here, from here to up there, this is, maybe even look at the log chart, be able to see. Man, that's like only checkable. I made the Hex BTC ratio here, friends. So if you if you want to get the actual real number, this is Hex BTC. Yeah, to get to the high, it's got to do a 320x. That's eHex, just eHex. 320x versus Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin goes to 200K, it's got to do a 600x. Yeah, big numbers. That's just eHex. Is it going to get to the high? But hey, it doesn't matter. It's still going to be like this mania if we do get there, right? You don't need to get to the high. If you like, the thing is so low, you can just DCA any amount. Hopefully you do get a good, nice outcome for that. Like, subscribe, belly button, or catch you soon.